Hey everyone, welcome to this amazing channel. Okay, so Meta is on a roll. Following their release of Llama 3 last week, they've now shifted focus back to computer vision with the release of the SAM 2 model. I typically don't cover a lot of computer vision content here, but this model is quite remarkable in what it can achieve. I want to discuss both the model itself and how it's advancing predictive AI. Recently, the spotlight has been on generative AI, which involves generating text, images, audio, and more. However, there's still a significant need for predictive AI that can analyze images and provide detailed insights. This involves not just identifying objects but also using bounding boxes and segmentation masks to accurately describe what's present in an image. This brings us to the SAM 2 model. Last year, Meta introduced SAM, which stands for Segment Anything model. The idea behind this model was to segment everything in an image with high accuracy across various classes, not just the specific ones the model had been trained on. Traditional segmentation and object detection models are trained to recognize and segment specific classes, like cars or people. What makes SAM 2 particularly interesting is its ability to segment images based on examples you provide, rather than requiring extensive training data for each class. You can prompt the model with an example of what you want to segment, and it will perform the segmentation. This means you don't need a large amount of example training data to achieve effective results. If you are dealing with segmentation tasks for something unusual or for which no custom model is readily available, Meta's new SAM 2 model is a significant advancement. This model not only enhances the segmentation capabilities seen in the original SAM model but also introduces new features, including video processing. SAM 2 takes segmentation to a new level by enabling real-time video analysis. One of the key improvements is its capability to perform inference at up to 44 frames on decent hardware. This allows the model to track and segment objects across video frames, not just static images. You can still prompt SAM 2 with examples of what you want to segment, but now it can utilize the video context to maintain accurate tracking and segmentation throughout the video. This makes it especially powerful for applications where tracking objects over time or in complex scenes is required. Another exciting aspect of the release of SAM 2 is that Meta is making the model weights available under an Apache 2 license. This aligns with Mark Zuckerberg's vision of making advanced AI technologies accessible to a wide audience. Unlike other companies that might restrict access through licensing fees, this approach allows anyone to use and integrate the model into their own projects. If you are looking for a website where you can get all the latest news plus the latest AI tools, you can explore our website called simplifyai.in. Here, you can find things like AI-related magazines, a dedicated section only for trending AI tools, courses, and webinars. I will provide the link in the description for your convenience. In addition to the model, Meta has also released a dataset comprising 51,000 videos and over 600,000 spatio-temporal masks. These masks provide detailed segmentations across time and space within the videos, enhancing the model's capabilities in tracking and segmentation. The model architecture has been unified and streamlined. Instead of having separate components like an image encoder, memory, and mask decoders, SAM 2 integrates these elements more cohesively. The simplified architecture leverages temporal memory to improve performance across video frames. This approach could potentially influence other areas of AI, setting new standards for how temporal information is handled in different modalities. If we compare SAM 2 to the original SAM architecture, it's clear that the newer model has undergone significant simplifications. One of the key improvements in SAM 2 is its handling of memory, which has been optimized to enhance performance and usability. This streamlined approach allows for more efficient object detection and segmentation. A major advantage of SAM 2 is its capability to help users create specialized datasets for training their own object detection or segmentation models. For instance, you can easily annotate specific objects, such as selecting a t-shirt while excluding the person's head, directly within the model's interface. This feature simplifies the process of generating training data tailored to particular needs. In terms of performance, SAM 2 is notably faster than its predecessor. It operates approximately 6 times faster for various tasks, with inference running at about 44 frames. This real-time capability makes it much more practical for applications requiring rapid processing. Meta's demo showcases how intuitive SAM2 is for data annotation. Users can select objects to track within a video, such as a ball or a dog, and the model will segment these objects accordingly. This functionality is straightforward. You simply select the area or object you want to follow, and the model handles the rest. The demo allows for both predefined videos and user-uploaded content, providing a hands-on way to experience the model's capabilities. With SAM2, you can effectively track multiple objects within a video. For instance, if we pause the video while it's tracking, you can see that it is accurately following both the ball and the dog. The model handles object segmentation seamlessly, allowing us to isolate and focus on the objects of interest. For example, if we want to modify the background by pixelating it, perhaps to obscure certain elements like a person, we can easily do so. This leaves the tracked objects, such as the dog and the ball, visible while everything else is blurred or pixelated. This functionality is useful for privacy reasons or for emphasizing specific parts of the video. Another impressive feature of SAM2 is its versatility. Unlike conventional segmentation models that are often limited to specific types of images or objects, SAM2 can handle a wide variety of content. For example, it can segment both real and animated content, such as cartoons. You can select and highlight different parts of the cartoon, and the model will accurately track and segment them, even if they are partially obscured or if other objects are passing in front of them. Overall, SAM2 advanced capabilities in tracking, segmentation, and customization offer a range of creative possibilities. This time, I'm uploading a video of Mark Zuckerberg himself. Although it's a relatively low-resolution video, the SAM2 model effectively tracks him without any issues. This isn't one of the pre-made demos, it's a video I've uploaded myself, and it's performing well. We can also apply various effects using SAM2. For instance, if we want to do something generative, the burst effect calculates the center of the segmentation area and projects outward from there. Additionally, if we want to track just his head, we can replace it with an emoji. While this might seem playful, it demonstrates how versatile and powerful the model is. This capability is particularly useful for YouTubers and content creators who need to obscure faces or sensitive information in their videos. Instead of relying on expensive software for such tasks, tools like SAM2 could become a valuable part of many content workflows. This is all for today's video. If you are interested in a video focusing on the code provided by Meta, let us know in the comments below, and we'll create it for you. So, this is Simplify AI, and I hope you like this video, and if you want more video on latest advancement on AI around the globe, you can subscribe our channel for future updates.